Well, good morning to all. And today we're gonna go into this trade that I took this morning on GPS. I did the homework last night pretty much. Posted GPS OSDK, which had a pretty decent flush this morning. I posted all of those stocks last night on the Discord group. Also had on watch the HT, which you see here. Unfortunately, I missed it. Didn't notice that it was flushing here. Look at these levels here, but we can take this level out and put it right here on the low of this candle at 870, and we can wait. Just go back here and 813, so which is 1 cent lower here, 813. See here, when it came down, I flush, now printing a hammer on the 5. I missed that. Very unfortunate. I didn't notice. I just noticed now, and wanted to give you something there. Also posted this thing. So anyway, we're gonna jump into the GPS to show you exactly what happened this morning. GPS here. This is a very good stock I was watching last night due to forget about this candle. But these areas here, we're gonna let me just try to move it over here real quick. Okay, so for example, 790, 692 and 611. So this is what I was looking at last night when I scanned, and these areas, this is what if you see this inverted dragonfly doji here, tapping the low 692, pretty decent support. I was looking for a test. If you see here, it came under this and I was looking for those areas there today, but unfortunately when it printed under these areas, look at it, it was right here on the pre-market hours. So I wasn't there to take advantage of this, and as of right now, just looking at the 15 minutes, when I took the trade here, was back in this pot. If you notice, it was hovering on this area, going higher. I was watching this stock since the pre-market hours, and I put a trend line based on the 15-minute time frame, and you see $7.32 right here. When it started to print the first candle here, went up higher, I started to look for a reversal at some point, and we started to see this thing have this little bit of a trend line here for that support. So $7.17, you notice right here, 711, 717, got a 715 low right here. It was around this area. I got short, and I posted a picture even on Discord if you guys want to go to the tab on the profit and loss positions on the Discord. You're gonna see the picture there with the closed position. So I alerted the guys on this GPS trade, and also posted that I had a $7.17 average as a short, because this is what I was looking for since last night when I started to post these pictures. One thing that I did was towards the low here at the $7, you see it's $6.98. I sold 100 shares on the way down here, and I made somewhat a decent profit, but I was holding then the rest, and it started to hover around here. I was looking at this flag, and I let it go. I was looking at this resistance at 710 here, and also another level that was looking 714 right here. And if you see this little trend line for that support, it started to hold that little support on top of the 100 simple moving average on the 1, and I was just waiting patiently all throughout these areas here for that rollover right here. Well, we printed here what it looks very nicely a bear flag pattern on the 5, but I gotta be honest with you, I'm not in. So when it came back up to $6.16, $6.17, the remainder of my shares, I took them out break even. So I just made money on the first 100 shares that I sold towards the $6 area, and I got out, but a very small winner there. So you can see here, started to hover on the top of this area. He printed a nice trap here, because if you look at the low here, 730, have another 730 right here. Took a lot of people short under the 732, that it was the prior resistance right here in the pre-market hours, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people got in just to see it roll over to come to a high of 744. Took them out right there, come right back up, flush, come through, and again printing another candle on the 730. Probably took up a couple of people right there, 730, 729, and reverse again. And then I started to watch it here when it was printing this bear flag formation on the 1, under the 50, and there's a car going off out there. I apologize about that. But now staying in here, printed this bear flag pattern on the 5 and just flushed under the 100. So for right now, it's being a little bit slow. I stepped out, decided that I might not even take another trade today. Showed you already DHT 774 there, and I was looking at a lot of different things in the pre-market hours. Even I lost my pre-market data because a couple of settings that I had to adjust on the TC2000, and everything went off and blanked on me, and then I got pretty confused about what was going on. So it was kind of weird, kind of tricky stuff early morning for me, but overall I was able to get out with a small gain on GPS, and the rest is history. Just wanted to share this with you, and I'll see you guys later. Take care.